Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make oil-free fish roast. This is a completely oil-free fish roast or fish fry recipe, and it's a perfect guilt-free meal for the health conscious, especially in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. So in this recipe I'm not using any oil. I've already marinated the fish with the chili powder, juice of garcinia cambogia, which is also known as kudampuli, and salt. Heat an iron pan and place a piece of banana leaf on the tawa, and then place 2 marinated fish on the banana leaf. Use another banana leaf to cover, and then cover it with a tight lid and allow it to roast on low flame for about 5 minutes. And please note that I'm using a cast iron pan because it retains more heat. So it's about 3 minutes now, and let's check on the fish. As you can see, water has started to release out from the fish and it's getting cooked. Let it roast for another 2 minutes. Okay, now it's about 5 minutes and let's check on the fish. So the water has almost evaporated, and now it's time to flip it over. And you can see that it does not even stick to the pan. It's easy to clean the pan also. So I'm just going to flip it over. Again covered with the lid, and let it roast for another 5 minutes. I'll just show you how well it has roasted. You can see that the fish has roasted well, and it looks as though it has been fried in oil, isn't it? I'm just showing you that you can make this without oil, and since we have used juice of kudampuli or garcinia cambogia, it is very tasty and flavorful. So let's roast this for another 5 minutes and cover it with the lid. It's about 5 minutes now, so let's check on the fish. The fish is perfectly cooked. Serve it to a plate. When serving the fish roast, I like to serve it with a handful of shallots, also known as cherry in Malayalam, and a slice of lemon. My healthy oil-free fish roast is ready to serve. You can have this for dinner with a bowl of salad, and it's a perfect healthy oil-free filling meal for dinner. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.